addition to a general home inspection, there are a number of other inspections you can choose to get, and one of them is a mold inspection. Ryan, tell us about that.
Sure. Yeah, so a general inspection is going to cover all the major systems and components in a home. Mold is an environmental issue, and it requires additional training and some additional certifications in order to have a good understanding of what to look for when it comes to mold, and how to be that field technician to take samples for mold. So while a home inspection, while we conduct a general home inspection, we might see visible signs of mold. There are two different methods that we would use in the field to collect samples to send to a laboratory and confirm the presence of mold and help us determine what type of mold that would be. So if we had visible mold growth somewhere on the floor structure in a basement or in a bathroom, we could take a swab or a cotton swab and take a swab and send that to the lab and get a confirmed answer in terms of the type and what kind of mold that is. We could also do air sampling, and air sampling is going to give you an overall the condition of the air in the home. So that can tell you what type of mold spores are present in the air, the count, how many there are, and there are certain mold spores that we definitely don't want to find inside, and then there's certain spores that at certain levels could tell us that there are potentially issues with moisture in the home. So it's going to really depend on the situation and you as a buyer, your
comfort level, if you have allergies, kids with allergies, sensitivities to mold
your
in
health
particular,
conditions.
It's probably going to be a lot more important to you. But at the end of the day, you have to make that call.